If you didn't feel tired at first, have you ever noticed that sometimes you start yawning even when you're not actually tired? It often happens right after you see someone else yawn nearby, and suddenly, without even thinking about it, you feel the urge to yawn too. But why does this happen? Yawning isn't always about sleep or boredom. Scientists call this contagious yawning, and studies suggest it may be connected to empathy and social bonding in the brain. Some researchers even say that animals like dogs and chimpanzees can catch yawns too, just like humans, so the next time you yawn after someone else does, it might just be your brain showing how naturally connected we all are. And that's exactly why yawns can be contagious even